Ever thought about the best ways to retain top talent in your company while also saving on taxes? Or as an employee, about the long-term benefits of sticking with one organization? It's a common dilemma in India, with employers seeking ways to motivate their top performers to stay, reduce tax liabilities, and secure their employees' futures. Employees, on the other hand, crave financial security and meaningful incentives. What if there was a solution that addresses these concerns for both employers and employees? Yes, there is. The employer-employee life insurance policy. Before we dive deeper into the features of the employer-employee insurance scheme, it's essential to understand who can avail of its benefits. Not all organizations can take advantage of this scheme. So, who's eligible? Firstly, companies, irrespective of the industry they operate in, are eligible for the ERS. This includes both public and private sector companies, as well as multinational corporations. This scheme can be used for the directors themselves. Secondly, partnership firms can avail of the EEIS. However, it's important to note that this scheme can't be used for the partners themselves. It's meant strictly for the employees. Similarly, proprietorship firms can also use the EEIS, but not for the proprietors. Again, the focus is on providing benefits to the employees. Furthermore, trusts are eligible for the EEIS. This includes both public and private trusts. In essence, any legal entity, be it an individual, company, or organization that has legal rights and obligations, can avail of the EEIS. So, if you fall under any of these categories, you can consider implementing the EEIS for your employees. It's a great way to show your employees that you care about their future and are willing to invest in their well-being. But remember, the EEIS is more than just a welfare scheme. It's a tool for employee retention and a method for tax savings. With that said, let's unpack the employer-employee insurance scheme in our next section. The employer-employee insurance scheme, or EEIS, is a win-win proposition for both parties involved. But what exactly is it? Simply put, it's a life insurance policy purchased by an employer on the life of its employees. It's a welfare scheme designed with the best interests of the employees at heart. The employer foots the bill for the insurance premium, providing an extra layer of financial security for the employees. The basis of this contract is the insurable interest the employer has in the life of the employee. After all, a company's success is often built on the hard work and dedication of its staff. But the EEIS isn't just about providing financial protection. It's also a powerful retention tool. In a world where talented employees often have their pick of the job market, businesses need to offer more than just a competitive salary to keep their top performers. The EEIS can be a game changer in this regard. It shows the employees that their employer cares about their well-being and is willing to invest in their future. And let's not forget about the tax benefits. The EEIS is a tax-efficient scheme helping both employers and employees save money. Under Section 37(1) of the Indian Income Tax Act, employers can claim tax deductions for the premiums paid. So the EEIS not only encourages employee retention and loyalty, but also offers tax benefits and protection against financial loss. The EEIS is not just about retaining employees, it's also about their financial security and future. The employer-employee insurance scheme, commonly known as EEIS, is a boon for both employers and employees. It's like a two-sided coin, with each side offering unique advantages to those who hold it. For employers, it's a beneficial tool to retain talent and foster loyalty. Let's face it, in today's competitive market, retaining talent is a challenge. But with EEIS, employers can offer a sense of financial security that not only motivates employees to stay, but also to perform better. Moreover, as a cherry on top, there are tax benefits under Section 37, subsection 1 of the Indian Income Tax Act. Now, let's flip the coin. For employees, EIS offers financial security for dependents. It's a layer of protection that assures them that their loved ones will be taken care of, even in their absence. Additionally, It offers a platform for wealth creation and building a retirement corpus. Imagine retiring with a sizable fund to support you. That's what EES offers. But it's not just about the money. EEIS also gives employees a sense of pride. It's a performance reward that acknowledges their contribution to the organization. With EEIS, employers can secure their employees' future, while employees get a sense of pride and performance rewards. So, it's time to consider EEIS as a strategic move towards a secure future. Let's take a look at a real-life example to understand the benefits of under the Employer-Employee Insurance Scheme. Tech Solutions, like many others, was grappling with employee retention issues. They decided to implement the EEIS with a conditional clause of 10 more years of employment in the organization. The company took out a life insurance policy for its employees and paid the premiums. The employees saw this as a sign of the company's commitment to their welfare, and it boosted their loyalty. After 10 years, the company assigned the policies to the eligible employees. This essentially meant that the employees now owned the policies and could enjoy the benefits directly, including the maturity benefits and the life cover. This move was a game changer for Tech Solutions. It not only helped them retain their talent pool, but also provided the employees with a sense of financial security and a significant benefit at the end of their service. Moreover, Tech Solutions was able to claim tax benefits under Section 37(1) of the Indian Income Tax Act, reducing their taxable income. In the world of finance, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. If you found this video informative, show your support by hitting that like button and sharing it with your colleagues and friends. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on beginner-friendly guides to advanced financial strategies. And feel free to reach out to us for a free consultation on risk management, insurance, investment and loans at anurban.data@businessguyanchannel.in.net, or fill up the form mentioned in the description below, and our team will get in touch with you. Your financial security is in your hands. Let's make it count.